Hello, my name is Mike Benson. If you've landed here, it's probably because you're dealing with ear inflammation, discomfort, or hearing issues, and you may have already searched for supplements or treatments that claim to fix this. I know how tough this situation can be, because I've seen it up close with a family member, and I know just how frustrating it is to try countless solutions without real results. Many people just like you eventually realize that common medications or home remedies are not enough. That's why they start looking for natural alternatives to deal with ear inflammation, discomfort, and even problems like ringing in the ears or lack of focus. And the truth is, there are supplements that can make a real difference. Recent studies show that inflammation, ear pain, and hearing difficulties are often linked to issues such as poor circulation, oxidative stress, and even toxin buildup. That's exactly why some formulas are more effective than others. They don't just cover up the symptoms, they target the root cause of the problem. I remember my family member had already tried everything: medications, expensive therapies, even alternative treatments. Nothing seemed to bring real relief. That's when they discovered Otifort, and the transformation was surprising. Otifort is not just another supplement. It was created to directly address the underlying causes of ear inflammation and discomfort, helping the body restore balance in a safe, natural, and effective way. Experience real improvements in ear comfort and hearing clarity. Reduce stress and improve focus with natural ingredients like GABA and green tea. Regain confidence and peace of mind in daily life. Many people have already shared positive results, and you could be next. Otifort is 100% natural, safe for daily use, and has been tested by thousands of people worldwide. Some report improvements within the first month, while others notice even greater transformations after 3 months. And the best part, it comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. If you're truly tired of struggling with ear inflammation, pain, or hearing problems, it's time to take the next step. Click the link in the description now and secure your Otifort directly from the official website. That way, you'll buy safely and start your transformation today. I hope this review helped you, just as Otifort has already helped so many others. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and check the description link to get your supply now.